breakfast, a lunch, and we're actually including a supper. We'll also start taking pictures of how the meals are supposed to be, combined for each day. So we'll send them a picture of this is supposed to be breakfast, this is the way it's supposed to be for lunch for each individual day, so they can know how to arrange the meals every day. The supper was just approved yesterday, thanks be to God. So we are going to be able to serve for the 5 days. So they're actually getting 3 meals a day, breakfast, lunch, and supper. Okay, well, we're going to start the grab and go meal program starting next Wednesday from 10 to 12. We're going to be doing the grab and go at 8 different campuses. The only one we're not going to be serving is Emma Vera, but the ones from Emma Vera can either pick up in high school or middle school. The rest are going to be functioning, like I said, from 10 to 12. They can come in. And for example, I've been getting a lot of phone calls of people that live in Alvarez Road if they can pick up in DGG, because that's the closest to them, and that's okay. We can do that. We're giving them out a form. We already gave it to them this past Tuesday, so they need to bring it in this form next Wednesday when they first come in. We need their names, student IDs, grade, and wherever they're attending school. But it's very important to have their student ID numbers. This program, compared to the summer program, this one we do need to have their student IDs, and this is only for students that are enrolled in Roma ISD. Their student ID number, they either have it, they memorize it. Usually kids that are in the school district already, from the age or from the grade level of 3rd grade all the way to 12th grade, they know their ID numbers. They're also known whenever they go to the computer service. They use that same number to get in. The younger kids, you can either have it in the registration packet, they'll have an ID number, or in their parent portal, you can check in the parent portal and it will give you their student IDs where you can fill it out. Now, pre-K students, they're new to the district. You can either get it from the parent portal, you can call the school to tell them that we're requiring it, or just write their name, pre-K, and what school, and we'll try to figure out where they're at. But if you can, the more information you can put on the paper, the better. What we're gonna do, we gave you this form, and if you didn't come this week, we'll give it to you when you initially come to us. You fill it out. We're gonna request this form. We're gonna take this form. We're gonna give you another paper, and you're gonna put it in a sheet protector, and that's the form that you're gonna bring in every week. So when you're driving, just put it in front of your, under the windshield for the parents. We're also gonna be putting this on our app, so that you can see how to prepare, or how to heat and serve, and how to store your food items. When we give them to you, we require for you guys to put in the refrigerator until you're going to use it. Fruits and vegetables, you can leave them outside and consume them as you wish. But there's certain handling of especially frozen foods. They're semi-thawed by the time you get them, so you need to use them within that week. You can stick them in the microwave, or you can stick them up in a little oven and just heat them up for 10-15 minutes, and they should be ready. Stay safe, gladiators, and stay healthy.